Hey guys, this is Fundo on Pagama. Tonight on Uzalo, please like, comment, and subscribe. There is a spark of love and intention of dispute between the lovers. The truth about the affair comes out in the open. Kapsile tell Konzi the truth that he dated Ntambisi, and it sounds like Konzi comes in the wrong place and time. While Nkazimolo's disappearance caused the tension between Nosipho and Pastor Kwala, and it seems like Pastor Kwala is stressed after hear his father that Nkazimolo is not on the house. While the love is back on between Madlala and Bongs. Bongs finally gives in and takes Mrs. Madlala out on the date, while the church of Mbata Lounge is going well. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.